So today I'm changing the oil on a 3.6 liter V6 Charger, and your oil cap, fill cap's right here, oil filter is right here, and dipstick to check your oil when you're done, make sure it's in to the full line, is right there. I have the bottom plastic skid plate removed due to changing a radiator, and my oil's due, so let's get started. Once you remove your plastic air dam underneath here, it's like a skid plate. It's got a couple bolts in it and a bunch of those little plastic fasteners. You only have to remove the back piece. You don't have to remove the forward piece. Right here is the oil drain plug. It's 13 millimeter. Go ahead and break that loose and have your oil drain pan underneath to catch fluid. Let your oil drain out. After your oil's done draining, go ahead and put the plug back in. On top of the engine, you'll have your cover over the engine. Just go ahead and lift up on it. It pops off just by pulling up on it. And then this is your oil filter. It's a cartridge drop-in type. Looks like this right here. These clip into the cap, and then you screw it down in, and there's a new O-ring for your cap. Put used motor oil on it. This is a Super Tech from Walmart. I wanted the Fram, but they were out of them. So this is a ST10955, and the Fram was the CH10955. Go ahead and take your cap off. Your filter should be stuck in it. And then I'm going to take this, that's the old filter. The O-ring lives right here. Put the new O-ring on, put some used oil on it, and then put your new filter back in. So I put my new O-ring on, and you can see where the filter clips down in. So this is goes in the cap, like this. You'll feel it click in. And then go ahead, it's got some spring tension on it. You got to push down and thread it in. These filters are really nice, a lot better than the canister style. And then go ahead and tighten it down, not super tight, just until you make contact, and then a little bit more. Alright, so the filter's changed. We're going to fill the oil right here. This uses 5W20 motor oil, and our dipstick to check the oil levels right here. I'm going to put the fill cap back in, or I'm sorry, the drain plug back in. So it takes 6 quarts of 5W20 with filter change. Remove your cap. So after your cap's removed, put in your funnel. And I'm using Pennzoil 5W20. I got a 5 quart and 1 extra quart to make 6. Pour those in and run the engine, check the dipstick to make sure it's where it needs to be. I'm going to put the 5 quarts in, run it, let the filter fill up with oil, check the dipstick, and then add the last quart as needed. And then after that, put your cap back, put your cover back on your engine, and put that plastic air dam underneath back on.